Assalamu alaikum students. Students, in this video I am going to elaborate the hypothalamic hypophyseal portal system. Hypothalamic hypophyseal portal system is the system of the blood vessels that link the hypothalamus to the pituitary gland. More precisely, the lowermost portion of the hypothalamus with the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is a highly vascular gland. It is supplied by the branches of the internal carotid arteries, which include the superior hypophyseal artery and the inferior hypophyseal artery. Number two is the internal cerebral artery and the posterior cerebral artery. The capillaries network in the median eminence is supplied by the superior hypophyseal artery, which is the branch of internal carotid artery. What is the median eminence? Median eminence is the lowermost portion of the hypothalamus, which is called the median eminence. So the median eminence is supplied by the superior hypophyseal artery, while the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland is supplied by the inferior hypophyseal artery. So this median eminence connect the inferiorly with the interior lobe of the pituitary gland through the pituitary stalk. So this is the diagram of the hypothalamic hypophyseal portal system. In this diagram you can see this is the hypothalamus portion, lowermost portion of the hypothalamus. This is the median eminence, and this is the stalk, pituitary stalk, that connect the hypothalamus with the pituitary gland. These are the two portions of the pituitary gland, the anterior portion and posterior, which are differentiated by the pars intermedia. These are the portal vessels. Almost all the blood that enters the capillary sinuses of the pituitary glands comes from these capillaries of the lower hypothalamic portions. Before leaving the hypothalamus, the capillary networks unite to form a series of larger vessels. The vessels between the median eminence and the anterior lobe carry blood from one capillary network, this is one capillary network, to the another capillary network which is present in the pituitary gland. The blood vessels that link the two capillary network are called the portal vessels. These are the portal vessels. So these are also called the portal veins. These blood vessels pass downward along the pituitary stalk to supply blood to the anterior pituitary sinuses. This is the anterior pituitary sinuses. In the anterior lobe, these vessels form a second capillary network that spread among the endocrine cells. So in this way, the blood vessels from the lowermost portion of the hypothalamus supply blood and other content to the anterior pituitary lobe. So this is the hypothalamic hypophyseal portal system. The function of the hypothalamic hypophyseal portal system includes that the portal system carries releasing and inhibitory hormones or factors to the factors of the hypothalamus to the anterior pituitary gland through the median eminence. By this system, the hypothalamus controls the anterior pituitary not only through the neural connection but through the vascular portal system. Fibers extend from the hypothalamus to the median eminence after stimulation. Hormones are released in the capillary plexus of the superior hypophyseal artery, then to the portal vessels. Then these hormones from the secondary capillary plexus to the endocrine target cells in the anterior pituitary. So this system connects the hypothalamus with the pituitary gland.